Hi, I'm Laura Vandenherk, and I have been working with businesses for more than 30 years, both as an employee and a contract professional, giving two perspectives to my work and added dimension to my skills, experience, and knowledge. In my side hustle, I've primarily worked with individuals and businesses who were operating from financially fragile landscapes, and I learned early on to volunteer my time to these groups so that they could benefit fully from working with me. I've been able to combine my passion and love for business and working and helping. And I've created a new business consulting model that is sustainable, dynamic, regenerative, and accessible to those who need it and want it. And I have branded it as my community project Office Hours, or Office Hours for short. In my model, I give clients my time for free for 6 months of the year. They can sign up for Zoom calls or phone calls from January to June for years to come. In the early days of developing Office Hours, I was referring to the role of client partner as a sponsor, and that was a misnomer. It's used in other models to denote something that is like more a one-way tap, and client partners are more like a two-way street. I ask client partners to join me in Office Hours and to contribute funds. And in return, they will receive free hours in Office Hours that have been given a value. And that is so that client partners can calculate their return on investment, or in this case, return on contribution. Client partners are given access to added supports like resources and some marketing. In 2025, I am asking you to join me in Office Hours as a client partner, and I'm asking you to contribute $5,000, and in return, you will receive 20 hours of time spots for free with a value of $7,500. And you will be able to schedule those time spots between August 1st and November 30th, and your return on contribution is 150%. Both clients and client partners will receive quality professional help, advice, and mentoring in such areas as accounting, finance, business, farming, and sustainability during your time spots with me. I am a designated accountant and a certified fraud examiner, and I am bound by 2 codes of ethics that lay the foundations for my relationships, combined with confidentiality, honesty, and trust. I have my honors undergrad degree in business. I have been raised by farmers. I have worked and lived on farms for the better part of 50 years, accumulating experience and knowledge in plants, animals, and soil. For 10 years, ending in 2022, my late husband and I were pioneers in the Niagara region in Ontario, Canada, in regenerative farming. And I have been able to apply regenerative principles to my Office Hours model. One of the areas is with clients. Clients do not have to stay in the financial landscape that they came to me in Office Hours. They can grow, be more resilient, profitable, where they're accumulating excess cash, and upon which time they can move into a new role in Office Hours as client partners. I am a sole proprietorship. That is my business structure. And as so, contributions come to me directly in the form of revenue. Client partners, your contributions to me can be written off from your income statement as a professional fees expense or a consulting expense. And I would encourage you to check with your tax advisor that this is the case in your situation. I mentioned that you have added access to supports. There are downloadable files on my website, and there is a growing video library on my YouTube. And I invite you to join the growth in these resources in this area by making your requests to me via email. I'm inviting you to my website and to join me on the 2025 Client Partners page, where your name, website link, and description will be displayed. and I will be using this information when I make posts through my LinkedIn profile, where I have 19,000 followers, connections, and growing. You can find me in office hours on my farm website at www.nakedacresfarmstead.ca. My contact details are at the bottom, along with my social media links. When you join me in office hours as a client partner, you'll receive a password that I have given you to log into the booking tab, where you can schedule your free hours from August 1st until November 30th. And I have password protected this because I don't want clients to inadvertently sign up for your time spots. I encourage you to do your own due diligence review. And on my website, under my About Me page, there is some help to get you started. I am looking forward to meeting you and speaking with you. And at any point you need help, you have questions, concerns that you want to discuss, just call me. My number's at the bottom of my website. Let's make office hours a success together. And just so that I know you get this, pause the video so you can take down my website. I look forward to hearing from you. Cheers, folks.